Your leather jacket isn't just a piece of clothing, it's a testament to your style and personality. To ensure it remains a timeless staple in your wardrobe, proper care is essential. Start by storing your jacket in a cool, dry place. Utilize a padded hanger to maintain its shape and prevent unsightly wrinkles. Folding can lead to hard-to-remove creases, so it's best avoided. Moisture is the enemy of leather. On humid or rainy days, consider leaving your jacket at home. If you anticipate exposure to the elements, treating your jacket with a water-repellent solution can offer added protection. Accidents happen. Should your jacket encounter spills or stains, address them promptly with spot cleaning to prevent permanent marks. Regular conditioning is also vital. It replenishes the leather's natural oils, keeping it supple and preventing cracks. Occasionally, polishing your jacket with products recommended by your jacket's brand or a trusted leather store can restore its shine and luster. With diligent care, your leather jacket will continue to make a statement for years to come. For professional cleaning and maintenance, trust DeLeatherCraft. Visit us at DeLeatherCraft.com to learn more. Preserve your style, care for your leather.